Hi everyone, Kareen Erbe here with Broken Ground, and I am not in my usual spot on my homestead right now. You can see there's a beautiful lake behind me. I'm actually at our family cabin, and we've owned this place for over 40 years. It's in northwestern Ontario, and I just wanted to take the opportunity to talk a little bit about what's going on here and to encourage people when they are out in wilderness areas to pay attention, to use that permaculture principle of observe and interact. So here we have, right below me, you can see a big blueberry patch. The blueberries are done for the season. It's near the end of August. But when you are kind of foraging for berries in the wild, it's really interesting to kind of notice what other plant species are growing nearby. And this can give you a clue as to when you're designing your own food forest systems, what might work together well. And granted, we don't know all the synergies that happen, and we don't know what we don't know in terms of the mystery of natural systems and how they function. But it's great to put on our observation hats and to realize what's growing. So in this case, these are wild blueberries, of course, and we have pine trees, we have spruce trees, we have wild roses, we have American spikenard growing here, in addition to juniper as well. I've seen daylilies in this context as well, lichen growing, moss growing. So obviously we're in a very different climate than where I am, or very different rainfall than where we are in Montana. Probably very similar hardiness zone, but obviously we know blueberries prefer acidic soils, so we can make that assumption that these are mostly acidic soils. But anyway, one of the reasons I wanted to do this video is just simply to encourage you when you are out and about and say you're foraging for huckleberries or strawberries or wild raspberries, to notice what other plant species may be growing with that particular berry, and you can use that information to design your own food forest guilds in your backyard. So just a little announcement from the wilds and wilderness area of northwestern Ontario, and I'm sure I will see you all soon. Bye.